So guys, in my last video I showed you guys how to register on BTCdana, and in this video guys I'll be showing you guys how to benefit from the broker. When you complete your first deposit, you can receive a bonus deposit. For example, if you deposit at least $5 and you open a trade of 0.01 lots, you can receive a cashback of 0.05 in cashback. If you open a trade of 0.1 lots, you can get a cashback of $5, and it continues like that, guys. Additionally guys, this platform has BDC, which stands for BTCdana coin, which are their platform tokens. You can get this coin by using my promo code, which is HBFX. You can get these coins guys by completing tax and mining. So these coins are used to get vouchers which waive like transaction fee and all that. Let me show you guys how to get this coin. Let me show you guys how to mine these coins, guys. So guys, when you get to this app, you click on mining. So you head over to reward. So the promo code I gave you, which is HBFX, you head over to this redeem code. Then you click on please enter. You enter HBFX, which is the promo code, and you click on redeem. So I have already redeemed my own code, so I won't be able to redeem it twice. So this is also a way to earn. This is the first way to earn. This is the second way to earn is this mining, which is mining accumulation. Are you saying this is the coin I have mined so far, which is mining accumulation, which is 12.09 BDC. So for you to be able to mine this coin, are you seeing this treasure box right here? You click on this treasure box. So when this treasure box is closed, you click on it, then the coin will move from this treasure box to your mining accumulation. This is the way to earn. So it has a timer. So when the timer has finished reading, it is going to close back. Then you'll be able to click it. So then the coin will head over to this mining accumulation. This is the second way to earn. So the third way is that you head over to these rules. So these are also ways to earn. So guys, mining reward, contribution reward are platform recognition of your continuous effort in building and prospering the platform through your hard work. So ways to earn is, daily trading, community post, community comment, community like, and all that. So these are the ways to earn, and it just goes on and on and on like that. So these are also ways to earn coins from this broker. You can also click on get more BDC. So you click on get more BDC. So it's loading. Are you seeing this is my balance right here? Mining for BDC. Accumulate BDC and enjoy dividend and recovery reward. So daily trading 1000 BDC, profit on demo. So you can also get BDC when you profit on your demo. This is honestly amazing. So saving account balance 10,000 BDC. Honestly, this is something else. Community post, community likes, and so on and so forth. Guys, I hope you guys know how to mine this coin and what these coins are used for. So guys, use my promo code to get your first BTCdana coin, and I'll be leaving all necessary links below for you to get your account on BTCdana. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned guys. Much love.